Let's do an interesting problem from the chapter Some Basic Concepts in Chemistry. The given question is 1 gram of a chloride was found to contain 0.835 gram of chlorine and its vapor density is 85. We have to calculate its molecular formula and the given options are here. So, the most simple and easy way to reach to the solution of any numerical is note down the given values in the question. It will be very helpful in order to solve the problem much faster. So here the given values are the mass of metal chloride is equal to 1 gram, mass of chlorine is equal to 0.835 gram. Hence, from the given value of metal chloride, chlorine, we could calculate the mass of the metal, that is 1 minus 0.835, which will be equal to 0.165 gram. So we know that equivalent mass of the metal will be equal to mass of the metal by mass of chlorine into 35.5. So here the given values could be substituted in the formula. Mass of the metal, it is given as 0.165, which we have calculated by subtracting, and mass of chlorine, it is 0.835 into 35.5, which is equal to 7.01. So here we have to calculate the molecular formula. So we all know that molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. So from this we could inherit another formula, that is valency of the metal will be equal to 2 into vapor density by equivalent mass plus 35.5. So we get 2 into given vapor density is 85 divided by equivalent mass we have calculated as 7.01 plus 35.5. So the valency of the metal is equal to 4. Hence, since we have calculated the valency of the metal, from that we could get the formula of the metal chloride. We know that the valency of chlorine is equal to 1 and valency of the metal we have calculated as to be 4. Thus, the formula of the metal chloride is MCl4. So, the answer is the option C.